Hello saxophones and welcome to your second guided music practice video. In today's lesson we are going to be learning our 2/4 time signature. We are going to be reviewing our first 6 notes, I think. G, A, B, C, D and E, 6. We are going to be learning our new note low F sharp. Let's get started. You will be successful when you can correctly explain and play in 2/4 time, when you can read and play your first 6 notes, and when you can identify and play your low F sharp. First of all, let's play our first 6 notes to remember what they sound like. So we have G, A, B, C, D, with your thumb on at the back because we need the register key, D, and then E. So let's do that again. G, A, B, C, D, E. Remember D and E both need your thumb at the back. And again, G, A, B, C, D, E. And play it with me. And again. Pause and see if you can work it out backwards. Now play it with me backwards. Now up and down all together. Now let's go from exercise 37. Now let's go from exercise 37, where it has our 2/4 time signature. 2/4 means there are 2 crotchet beats in every bar. So the top number 2 tells you that there are 2 beats, so it tells you how many beats. The bottom number tells you what kind of beats they are. So there are 2 quarter notes in every bar, because that 4 is just like a fraction. 2 quarter notes in every bar, which is the same as 2 crotchet beats in every bar, which is the same as 2 tars in every bar. So what does 2/4 time signature mean? That there are 2 crotchets in every bar. In exercise 37, you will see that there's a G as the first note, which is on the first beat, then an A, which is on beat 2. Then you have a B, which has beat 1 and 2 in it. Say the notes and do the counting from the beginning. G, A, B, 2, and again, G, A, B, 2. See if you can say the next bar on your own. Ready? And again, A, B, C, 2. Now the first 2 bars, let's play them together. And the next 2 bars. Pause and see if you can join them together. Now let's check. Play the first 4 bars. Now say the next 2 bars with the fingers. Ready? D, D, E, E. And again. D, D, E, E. And play it on your own, pausing here. Now play it with me. Now the last 2 bars, say the notes and D, B, G, and again, D, B, G, and play it with me. And now there's a repeat, so you would go back to the beginning. Let's see if we can play the whole thing together. If you need some extra time, press pause and play it by yourself now. how did you go with all of those notes? If you needed some extra practice, press pause and practice it at least 3 more times. If it was really easy, let's go all together to exercise 40. Exercise 40 is all about practicing the notes that we already know, G all the way up to E. So our goal is to be able to play all these notes and read them easily. So let's start with the first bar. Look at the notes, see if you can work out what they are. And now say them and do the fingers with me. G, B, A, C, and again. G, B, A, C, and your turn. See if you can play it on your own. Press pause now and do it 3 times. Now check that you were right. Do it with me. And again. Now look at the next 2 bars. Say the notes and do the fingers. B, D, C, E. Remember, thumb goes on for D and E and not for B and C. So B, D, C, E, and again. B, D, C, E. Press pause and see if you can play it on your own. Let's do it together. Press pause and join the first 2 bars together. Now check it and play it with me. Now look at the next 2 bars. See if you can work them out on your own. Pause here and take as long as you need to. Now let's go from the beginning, saying the notes and doing the fingers for the first 4 bars. G, B, A, C, B, D, C, E, D, B, C, A, G, B, G, 2. And again. G, B, A, C, B, D, C, E, D, B, C, A, G, B, G, 2. And now let's play it together. With smart music, just the first 4 bars. Now pause and play that on your own, at least 3 more times. Now let's look at the next 4 bars. Say the notes and do the counting. Remember, there's a tie here. So it goes D, 2, 3, E, D, B, G, B, D, C, B, A, G, 2, 3, 4. And let's do it again. D, 2, 3, E, D, B, G, B, D, C, B, A, G, 2, 3, 4. And let's see if we can play it together. Smart music, the last 4 bars. practice that last 4 bars on your own at least 3 times. Now let's go the whole way through with smart music. Remember to say the notes in your head and the counting. Pause and practice it at least 3 more times, making sure that you know what all of the notes are and that you can play your first 6 notes really easily. Because now we get to learn our new note, F sharp. So low F sharp is just like a G, but with 1 extra finger. So a G, 1, 2, 3, and F sharp is with our middle finger down here. So remember, this is D, so we lift up the other 2 and that's an F sharp. G, F sharp. Try that now. Play a G, and then an F sharp, and again G, and then F sharp, and just like the G, the F sharp is down low, but it's in the lowest space, and it has a sharp symbol next to it. So you'll notice in exercise 41, the F sharp is the very first note in the bottom space with a sharp next to it. How many more F sharps can you see? Good, there are 2 more F sharps and they're all different lengths. So how long does the first F sharp go for? 4 counts. And the next F sharp? 2 counts. And the last F sharp goes for 1 count. Okay, now let's say the notes and do the fingers from the beginning. F sharp, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, B, 2, A, 2, F sharp, 2, G, F sharp, G, 2. And do it again, press pause and see if you can do it on your own. Now let's do it again with me, and F sharp, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, B, 2, A, 2, F sharp, 2, G, F sharp, G, 2. Now let's see if we can play it from the beginning all the way through. 1, 2, 3. Smart music, press pause and do it on your own again if you need some extra practice before. Now it's smart music. Pause and practice that at least 3 more times. Now let's reflect on our practice today. How did you go with your low F sharp? Do you now know what it looks like? Can you play it 4 times right now? How about your other 6 notes? G, A, B, C, D with your thumb and E with your thumb. Pause and play them all now. Now, how about your 2/4 time signature? Can you explain what that means? Hopefully that was all really easy. Let me know if I need to go slower in the next video. Keep up the good work and happy practicing.